Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for April 10th, 2018. Batayla and Project Beauty Share managed to raise $21,802.92 for women and families overcoming abuse, addiction, homelessness, and poverty. The shelter receiving the most votes, the Good Shepherd Center in LA, will receive $5,000, and there'll be a meetup in the area on Saturday, April 28th. Stay tuned for deets. Ulta launched the Neutrogena Kerry Washington collab, and the buzz has begun over the wearable shades. Here is the Essential Cheek Palette $9.99 and the Essential Eye Palette for $12.99, both on Ulta.com now. And can you imagine holding court from a throne made of beauty blenders? Wouldn't it squish when you sat on it? Anyway, you could potentially win it. Check Beauty Blender's Instagram for more. And rumor has it that KO Polish will be coming to stores soon. Wink, wink. And the company needs to increase staff and price in order to expand. Sounds internal, but okay. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.